Hi historians. You have your social studies journal out and you wrote the question, what led to the age of exploration? I'm going to talk to you about that question so that you have an understanding of what your purpose is. So when you're watching the video, you know what you are looking for. You've already read this paragraph. It's an excerpt from an online article. And the title of the article is Life at Sea in the Time of Magellan. Magellan is an explorer, a well-known explorer, and we'll learn more about him as we continue in this unit. I'm going to read the paragraph and then we'll go from there. In 1519, when Magellan departed on his famous voyage to circumnavigate the globe, a sailor's daily life was not an easy one. Out at sea for months at a time, a ship's crew confronted on a nearly daily basis life-threatening danger, malnutrition, vermin, disease, filth, and exhaustion. The work of a seaman was hard and punishment for disobedience was brutal. Fifth graders, that means that almost every single day they were exposed to danger. They didn't have the food. That's malnutrition, when you're not getting the food that you need. Vermin, that would be mice or rats or cockroaches. Disease, you couldn't just hop off of the ship and go to the doctor. Filth and exhaustion, so it's dirty and they're tired. And then it said if you didn't do what you were supposed to do, punishment was brutal. It was harsh. So why in the world are people getting on these ships for months at a time in these horrible conditions to travel to a place that they've never been before? They didn't say, okay, Siri, give me directions to the new world. That wasn't an option. So that's what you're doing today. You're watching this video to try to figure out, why would people expose themselves to these horrible conditions for months at a time to take a risk and explore? Why are people doing it? That's your purpose for watching the video.